is the most merciful and beneficent. My dear principal, respected teacher and fellows, Assalamu alaikum. My topic is Pakistan founded for good. The circumstances in which Pakistan made its everlasting imprint were not usual but impossible to get freedom from colonial British Raj. Mr. President, the world at that time straddled by two ideologies. The capitalism headed by invisible hand of USA on the one hand and communism patroned by USSR. In such a condition, to get splendid freedom solely on the name of Islam seemed a miracle. Mr. President, Pakistan was forced to fall as a state with its scarce resources, mountain geography, and hydra-headed problem of refugees. But my dear fellows, it survived and rose from the ashes like a phoenix. Pakistan, disregarding world ideologies and political camps, established, preserved, and survived on the face of countless conspiracies. And this happened only by the grace of Almighty Allah. नूरे खुदा है कुफर की हरकत पे अंदाज़न